Alrighty, to add a new specimen in this application, scroll down to the Specimen in Culture Manager and select New Specimen. We will enter the specimen type. Here we have cell, sample, supernatant, and tissue, and then subtype, and today we're going to be using PBMCs as an example. Next we will select the container type that we're putting the PBMCs in, and here we're selecting vials. And then we can input the patient information by patient number as well as a sample ID. We also have an option of adding a description on the vial labels as well as any special conditions we would like to record. Since this is a new sample, it is pre-populating that this is passage 1. Then we can select the media in which we're freezing the samples in. In this case, I'm selecting freezing media. Next, we'll be selecting the species and the freezer unit that we will be using to freeze down these samples. Here I'm selecting the program freezer, which has a freeze time of 1 hour. We also have the option of selecting disease type as well as experiment in which the sample could be associated with. Lastly, we will be selecting our vial details. You have a few options here of which types of information you want to capture. In this case, we're doing cell count and vial type. So first you set the container size. In this case, we will be using 1.5 ml Eppendorf tubes. And then entering our cell counts as well as number of vials. And this can be done in an array format, and the application will sort the samples by their concentration for you. Once everything appears correct, we will hit save and then select the locations in which we would like to place these files. The application pre-populates a couple of options for you. And from this screen, we can print out the labels for the vials themselves. Once the files are ready to be stored, we go to Process Reservation, select the vials in question, and confirm that they are being placed in the locations as listed. That's it. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any questions, please contact me at annie@profosolutions.com.